Have you ever poured hours into editing only to feel like your videos are just okay? What if I told you there's a way to transform your footage from meh to memorable without a single line of scripted dialogue? It's called flipping the script, and it's a game changer for video creators like you. Before we dive in, don't miss this opportunity to take your skills to the next level. My master course, Start with Story, End with Wow, is coming soon, and you can be one of the first to access it. Get on the early access list today because space is limited. Plus, watch my free workshop, Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos, to prepare for the course. Just click the link in the description to secure your spot. Now, let's talk about what it means to flip the script. The phrase flip the script comes from storytelling and screenwriting. It means reversing the usual order or changing the narrative in an unexpected way. Instead of starting at the beginning, you might lead with an impactful moment or climactic scene to grab attention immediately. From there, you reveal the story piece by piece, keeping your audience engaged and curious. Think about this, most videos follow a predictable structure. And when you flip the script, you break the mold, surprising your audience and making your story stand out. For video creators, it's about breaking out of predictable patterns and presenting your stories in fresh, dynamic ways. So, how does this work? Let's dive into the steps. Step 1, start with impactful moments. Great stories don't always start at the beginning. The first step to flipping the script is leading with something impactful, an intense action, a striking shot, or an emotional soundbite. Imagine opening your video with a climactic moment that sparks curiosity and makes people say, "Wow, what happens next?" Right away, you've hooked your audience. Think of one of your recent projects. Is there a moment that could hook your viewers right away? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Step number 2, reveal context gradually. Once you've captured their attention, resist the urge to spill the whole story. Instead, reveal it piece by piece, creating a sense of discovery. Think of your video like a puzzle. Each clip adds a new layer, keeping your audience engaged and curious. For example, if you're creating a travel vlog, start with a breathtaking drone shot of a hidden beach, then slowly reveal the journey it took to get there, building anticipation with each new scene. Step number 3, build tension and anticipation. Every great story has ups and downs. Flipping the script allows you to guide your viewers through a roller coaster of emotions. Highlight challenges, surprise them with unexpected moments, and balance intense scenes with calmer ones. This dynamic pacing keeps your audience glued to the screen. It's like a roller coaster. By alternating between intense moments and calm scenes, you're creating a rhythm that's both engaging and memorable. All right, step number 4, finish with a resolution that circles back. When it's time to wrap things up, bring it full circle. Revisit the impactful moment you started with, but now with new context. This creates a satisfying resolution, leaving your audience with a story that feels complete and meaningful. By returning to your opening moment with added meaning, you're not just ending the story, you're giving it depth and leaving a lasting impression. Number 5, keep it authentic but polished. Remember, unscripted doesn't mean unorganized. Authentic moments are the heart of unscripted videos, but a little polish goes a long way. Be intentional with your shots. Make sure each one serves the larger story. This step is crucial. Authenticity connects with your audience on a human level, while polish ensures your video feels professional and cohesive. Flipping the script isn't just about changing the order of your shots, it's about creating a story that resonates, surprises, and sticks with your viewers. Here's the best part. This technique works for any type of content, whether you're shooting a brand video, a vlog, or a passion project. So leave a comment below on how you're going to use this technique in your next video. And if you want to go deeper, get on my early access list for my master course, Start with Story, End with Wow. Space is very limited, This is your chance to elevate your storytelling. Also, you can watch my free workshop, Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos, to prepare yourself and start transforming your footage today. Click the link below to sign up. All right, okay, are you ready for the takeaway? Flipping the script is about more than just storytelling. It's about rethinking how you connect with your audience and leaving them with something unforgettable. Don't forget to sign up for the workshop and get on the early access list for the course. I'll see you next time.